In this video, you'll learn how to log into cPanel with Bluehost step by step. Whether you're brand new to web hosting or you just need a quick refresher, I'll walk you through the exact clicks so you can get to your cPanel dashboard quickly and confidently. First, you'll need to log in to your main Bluehost account. This is the same place you usually go to manage your hosting, billing, and domains. Open your web browser and go to the Bluehost website. On the home page, look for the login option, usually at the top right of the screen. Click that and you'll see the sign-in page. Enter your Bluehost account credentials carefully and then sign in. If you ever have trouble logging in, double check that you're using the correct email and password associated with your Bluehost account. Also make sure your caps lock isn't accidentally turned on, since passwords are case sensitive. If you can't remember your password, use the forgot password link on the login page to reset it before moving on. Once you're signed into your Bluehost account, you'll land on the main dashboard. This is where you can see your sites, billing information, and other settings. To get to cPanel from here, look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. In that navigation menu, find the option labeled Hosting. Go ahead and click Hosting. After you click Hosting, you'll be taken to the hosting page. This page shows an overview of your hosting plans, including any websites or packages you have with Bluehost. If you only have one hosting plan, it should be easy to spot. If you have multiple plans, just locate the one you want to manage through cPanel. Next, within that hosting section, look for a button that says cPanel. This button is usually located near your plan details or under the tools and management options related to that specific hosting package. Take a moment to make sure you're clicking cPanel for the correct plan, especially if you host more than one website. Once you've found the cPanel button for the right plan, click it. When you click this button, Bluehost will automatically open your cPanel in a new browser tab. This may take a moment to load, so give it a few seconds if your connection is slow. After the new tab opens, you'll be inside your cPanel dashboard. From here, you can manage files, create email accounts, access databases, install applications, and handle many other technical aspects of your website. It's a powerful control panel, so it's a good idea to move slowly and only change settings you're familiar with. If you ever close the tab by mistake, you don't need to redo everything. Just go back to your main Bluehost dashboard, click Hosting again, find your plan, and hit the cPanel button once more, and that's all there is to it. You've logged into your Bluehost account, navigated to the hosting section, selected your plan, and opened cPanel in a new tab. Once you're comfortable with this process, getting into cPanel will only take a few seconds whenever you need it.